which they have not been built. For which they have not been built. Their purpose is something else, and people go to do something else. Then, on that condition, how we can say when article is used, when article is not used? I am going to clarify this fact to you. You must know, dear students, school is built for going to read and going to teach. Teachers go to school to teach. Students go to school to read. Means the purpose of the school is either reading or teaching, means learning process. It is learning, teaching, learning process. For teaching, learning process, this institution is used, means this school is used. Dear students, then if it is used for going to school to study, means you are going for its special purpose, not for its general purpose. You are going for general purpose, means you go to either to read or to teach, either to read or to teach. When you go, it is known as general purpose. General purpose. And for general purpose, no article is used, my students. No article you have to use. If you go to school to study, if you go to school to teach, no article is used. For example, you can take, he goes to school to read. Here you see, before school, no article has been used. Before school, no article has been used. Without article, this has come. But sometimes your guardian goes to talk to the headmaster, your parents go to pay your fees. That is not that is not the general purpose of it. It is a special purpose. Sometimes when there is leave in the school, mostly many people go to school for some special purposes. As nowadays you can remember, many corona patients are there in Siddharth Secondary School. Siddharth Secondary School, many corona patients are there, but that school has not been built for corona patients. Only for humanitarian assistance and benefit of treatment, they have been kept there. So, in that way, if someone uses an institution, means a school, a college, or any other educational institutions, then the is used. For example, corona patients have been sent to the school. Corona patients have been sent to the school. Corona patients are there inside the school for their quarantine, and so the has been used here. But when those patients are sent to a hospital, no article is used, because the hospitals are made for patients. They are not made for students. They are not made for teachers. They are not made for worshippers. They are not made for the other people. So, here what will be? Corona patients have been sent to the school. And if you say corona patients have been sent to hospital, then the will not come. Hospital is right without the, because the hospitals are made for patients. The hospitals are made for patients, and the patients are there for, as someone says, my doctor's son goes to hospital every day. It is right, because here there should not be any article, as we can write the sentence down. Dear students, you must write down the sentences I am teaching from here. If you note down, and if you have any question, I have already told you, if you have any question, you must contact me here on the studio's number 051 051 528299. 051 528299. You can contact me. Any question you have, anything you have to ask, you can contact me. I will be very much happy if your telephone call comes to me. Right now I am ready to receive you, because I am online here from studio. It's not a recording class, it's online class running on. Your query will be warmly welcomed. If you send, I will be happy. Thank you. Now let's see what I was telling. My doctor son goes to hospital. If you use goes to the hospital, it will be wrong, because that your son is doctor, and the hospital is either for doctors or for patients. Either for doctors or for patients. If your doctor's son goes to hospital, then the is never used. Don't use the when this situation comes. If you use, it will be wrong. Similar situation comes to a church or a temple. Mostly we see, why do people go to the temple? Why do people go to the temple? They go to the temple to worship any god with that is the idol of the god there. Means mostly our main purpose of going to that place is to worship. When you go to worship there, no article is used. No article is used when you go for the purpose of worshipping. But sometimes it happens, mostly people decide, two family members from two different far off places come together, or nearby places they want to come, they decide to meet in the campus of the temple, in the surrounding of the temple. And so when they go, both the families, as you can write here, he went to temple on the occasion of any festival, Tihar you can say. Many people visit there, Tihar or Dasai. Many temples are mostly used on the occasion of Dasai. And then what is here? He went to temple on the occasion of Dasai. He went to temple on the occasion of Dasai. Temple, before temple, the has not been used here. But when your friends, two family members from two different places come to the temple, then the is used, because that is not built for that purpose. Both the families decided to meet inside the temple. The temple. I have used here the temple. The temple, why? Because here the purpose is different. Same purpose is not here, so the has been used. Now we can know many of the things here, and among them we know general things, we know most of the things we know. So I am taking you to some typical matters here, as generally we know the names of people, the names of towns, the names of any city or any other places, but I will go later. Where not to use, I will go, because in this, if I mix, it will not be better. So we shall talk about it. Where not to use article, we shall go later. First we see where to use, as the name of the sea, oceans, the names of rivers, the names of musical instruments, such things are coming, you must use article the before them, because they make it definite. The is definite article, so it definitize it. As for example, you can talk, we went to the sea, the sea. The name of the sea also, if there is, then the is used. The Red Sea is close to our country. The Red Sea is close to our country. The name of the oceans, you can talk the Indian Ocean is near us. Means Indian Ocean, Red Sea, this is the name of the sea, this is the name of the ocean, and before the names of the oceans we use the. You must try to understand it. Students, you have to know, like this, the names of planets there are, if planets, if there are gulfs, deserts, rivers, I have already told. If they are, you have to use the. For example, rivers name. Many rivers are there in our country. We know, as we can take the name the Kosi River, we can take the name the Karnali River, we can take the name the Narayani River, the Ganges, the Brahmaputra. Like that, many rivers there are. Before the names of the rivers we use the. Similarly, famous books, if we take, there also we use article the. Musical instruments, there are many musical instruments which we play. For example, we can take the harmonium. The harmonium, you cannot write harmonium, but this means not that or you cannot use. If you have to unitize it, you have to show one unit of it. A harmonium is also right. A piano, it is right. But if you have to tell about one special unit of it, but when you talk about that instrument which is on the action mode, then the is used, not a. As before that, play word comes. When play comes, the is used. When play does not come, the is not used. A or an you can use according to its pronunciation. Whether if it is the pronunciation like a vowel, you have to use an. If it is the pronunciation like a consonant, you have to use a. So, students, General examples more we can take here. As someone says, he buys a piano. He plays a piano. First sentence is quite right, but the second sentence is wrong. Here you have to talk about a unit of it, but here you have not to talk about a unit of it. Here you have to talk about the instrument, and playing action means making it give sound. So in place of a, if you use the sentence will be correct. You must remember this fact. Generally, students learn in the book, it is written before the names of musical instruments, we use the. And somewhere in place of a, they use the. Because only one matter is in the mind, and what's the actuality of it, they don't know at all. That's the problem. They don't. Then that is the matter. People go in confusion. As another example, I am telling you, name of games also. They do. For example, if you take, he bought a football. He bought a football. Here, football is an item of play. It's hello, perhaps there is a telephone call and I am quite happy at it. Hello.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Who are you and where are you from?
Hello, it's me, myself, Suman Yadav from Parsa.
Sonalal Yadav?
Yeah, it's me, Suman.
Huh?
Myself, Suman from Parsagadi.
Suman. Yes. Then what is your question, Suman?
Listen it carefully, sir.
Okay.
Is that ... 8?
Again, I am writing. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay, do it fast, sir. I am waiting.
Okay. I am writing. Tell now.
Is that ... number 8?
Eat.
Is that ... 8?
He does not eat.
Is that ... 8?
He ... 8.
No, is.
He is.
No, is that ... 8?
Oh, very much clear you should speak. Confusion there is.
Is that ... 8 or ... B?
Is that
8 or ... B?
8? It is spelling?
EIGHT, 8. Number. It is in number, not in alphabet.
Is that 8? 8 number, yes. Is that 8?
Or B?
Or
B?
B?
I can't read it. This is the question.
After?
I can't read it.
I can't read it. Yes.
Please repeat the question, what you understand.
Is that 8 or ... B?
Is that ... 8 or ... B?
Huh?
Is that ... 8?
Is that 8 or ...
B? I can't read it.
B? I cannot read it. Yes.
No, sir. Is that ... 8?
Your question is not very much clear.
Okay, tell the answer.
You can write here on our Facebook page.
No, I can't get the reply in the Facebook page. I had do it many times.
Your question is not coming very clear.
Okay, listen it carefully, very.
Okay.
Is that ...
Huh? Is that ...
8
8 in digit, yes?
or ... B? Question mark? I can't read it.
This is the question, yes. What do you want to ask?
I want to ask this article answer.
Okay. Is that an 8 or a B? I cannot read it.
An 8?
An 8.
Or
Not an. because the pronunciation of this word is 8, eight.
Yeah.
Pronunciation, according to pronunciation we have to use, whether it is written in digit or whether it is written in letters, but according to the pronunciation we have to use article. So the answer will be, is that an 8 or a B? I cannot read it.
Okay.
Thank you. Or any other question?
Sir, in B, in 8 or
Huh?
please say the answer again.
Answer?
Yeah, again.
Yes, answer is that an 8 or a B? I cannot read it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank
One
you.
more question is there.
Any other question there is?
Yes.
What is it?
Okay, listen it carefully.
Okay.
I need ... egg for this recipe.
I need ... egg
For this recipe.
for
this recipe.
this recipe.
Yeah. Tell the answer, sir.
I need an egg for the recipe. I need an egg for the recipe. That is the answer.
N.
N.
Okay.
Okay. Any other?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ask.
Wow, ... cheese is getting so expensive.
Again?
Wow, ... cheese is getting expensive.
W-O-W, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, ... cheese is getting so expensive.
It is getting?
No, wow, cheese. ... cheese is getting so expensive.
Cheese, C-H-E-E-S-E.
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
Cheese is getting
Expensive.
expensive. Yes, article use.
Which one article?
Huh?
Which one?
Yeah. Wow. Cheese is getting expensive. Here, no article will be used because this cheese has come in the general sense, not any special cheese it is. It has come for all cheese, means the price of cheese is increasing day by day, so it is in a general sense and no article will be used here. My student, I am quite happy to your question.
Oh, another one.
Okay.
Can you say the meaning of supper?
Supper, S-U-P-P, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, night-time food it is.
Yeah, nighttime food. And morgue means?
Huh?
Morgue, M-E-A-R-G-E. Morgue.
M-E-R-G-E.
M-E-A-R-G-E.
Meager. It's meager. Meager means very less. Very less.
Very less.
Very less.
It means very ugly.
Very less in amount. But this is not for asking words here. You must know. You can ask about that chapter I am teaching. Better it is.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. And with your question, after this I am taking a short commercial break and I shall rejoin you very soon. I am waiting for some other telephone calls in the studio. I am ready to receive your call. Please wait for a while.
नमस्कार दिपा दिदी, स्वागत छ।
ओहो मुन्द्रु, घर त कस्तो राम्रो बनाएछौ।
तपाईहरुकै आशीर्वादले नि।
ए मुन्द्रु, पैसा त कमायो, संस्कार त भुलेको छैनौ नि?
कहाँबाट भुल्नु नि? संस्कार भनेको संस्कार नै हो। म आज पनि खाना बनाउनको लागि उही हाम्रो राजहंस सोयाबिन तेल नै प्रयोग गर्छु नि।
वाह मुन्द्रु, गजबको कुरा गर्यौ। खानाको संस्कार भनेकै राजहंस सोयाबिन तेल त हो नि।
वर्षौंदेखि हरेक घरको उही संस्कार, अत्याधुनिक प्रविधिबाट बनेको परम्परागत स्वाद, राजहंस सोयाबिन तेल।
राजहंस सोयाबिन तेल, उही स्वाद, उही संस्कार, वर्षौंदेखि।
विकास सम्भव छ, मजबुत निर्माणले। मजबुत निर्माण बन्छ अम्बे स्टिल्सले। अम्बे स्टिल्स जे बन्छ दिगो बन्छ।
सुनले बानी 2000 किलो सोना दे रहल बा अपन बेटा के।
2000 किलो सोना?
काश वो हमर बेटी से शादी करी।
अरे चोरी के तो ना हा?
भाई देखा 2000 किलो सोना।
सोना सोना सोना
अपने भी घर ले आई सोना।
मैसी फर्गुसन रेंज के ट्रैक्टर सब
जेकर मैसी हाइड्रोलिक काम करे दिमाग से और ड्यूल टेक इंजन डीजल बचाए बोझा उठाए शान से, तभी तक फसल लहराए बिल्कुल सोना जैसन। मैसी के 2-for-1 DI।
ये सिर्फ ट्रैक्टर ही ना सोना है।
तपाईहरु के काम गर्नुहुन्छ?
यस्तै सिमेन्टी लोड अनलोड गर्ने हो हजुर।
यो काम गर्न थाल्नु भएको कति वर्ष भयो?
भयो हजुर 12-15 वर्ष भयो।
तपाईहरुको अनुभवमा अहिले कुन सिमेन्ट बढी गइरहेछ?
खै हजुर उस्तै नै हो। यो केही वर्षदेखि त्रिशक्ति सिमेन्ट नै अलि बढी गइरहेछ।
किन होला?
खै हजुर आफ्नो विश्वास हो। हजुर
हो आफ्नो विश्वास हो त्रिशक्ति सिमेन्ट।
याद आउँछ तिम्रो हातको सधैँ असली स्वाद। कसरी बनाउँछौ मिठो खाना, के हो यसको राज?
हातै मिठो होइन प्रिय, पाएँ मैले साथ। त्रिशक्ति तोरीको तेल हो स्वाद र स्वास्थ्यको राज।
त्रिशक्ति तोरीको तेल, क्वालिटी विदेशी, मूल्य स्वदेशी।
याद छ कति रमाइलो हुन्थ्यो जब हामी सबै परिवार सँगै बसेर टिभी हेर्थ्यौं। त्यो एन्टरटेनमेन्ट, त्यो एक्साइटमेन्ट, ती सबै कुराहरूको साथमा अहिलेको जस्तै राम्रो पिक्चर र अडियो क्वालिटी भइदिएको भए झन् कति रमाइलो हुन्थ्यो होला है।
धेरै भन्दा धेरै HD च्यानलहरु सहित प्रष्ट टिभी हेराइको अनुभव लिनका लागि क्लियर टिभी।
मैले त क्लियर टिभी जोडिसके, तपाईले कहिले जोड्नु?
अपग्रेड टु क्लियर टिभी।
मलाई सबैले सोध्छन् तपाईले कसरी विश्व कीर्तिमान राख्न सक्नुभयो, अनि म आफ्नो सफलतालाई अम्बे सिमेन्टसँग तुलना गर्दछु। आत्मविश्वास बलियो जग हो। अध्ययन, अनुसन्धान र परीक्षणले जगैबाट बलियो बनाउँछ। जब तपाई जगैबाट बलियो हुनुहुन्छ तब तपाईलाई मिल्छ लाखौं मानिसको साथ अनि मिल्छ सफलता। अम्बे सिमेन्ट, यो देशको शिर उच्च राख्दै।
तपाई मान्नुस् या नमान्नुस्, आज हामी सबै इन्टरनेटको एडिक्ट छौं।
हो, ठीक सुन्नुभयो। टोयलेट जाँदा मोबाइल छोड्दैनौ, हामीलाई संसारको अपडेट लिनु छ।
अब हामी दिन्छौं कन्टेन्ट,
मुभिज, म्युजिक, बिना इन्टरनेट युट्युब, ओरिजिनल्स, एक्सक्लुसिभ कन्टेन्ट।
हो, यसको जवाब म्याक्स डिजिटलको 2-वे टेक्नोलोजीमा छ, जुन साउथ एसियामा पहिलो पटक लन्च गरिएको छ।
What you want, when you want, without internet, no buffering, right on your TV.
Seeing is believing.
Max को 2-वे भएपछि अरु के चाहिन्छ?
It's a Reliance Television Network and you are watching TV Birgaj.
Okay, once again I have joined you. Dear students, we are reading the appropriate use of articles and a student just asked some questions. I am again waiting for some questions. If you have, you can call me on our telephone number of studio, that is 051528299. And now we shall continue once again with the matter we were reading here. As I was telling you about musical instrument, I was telling you about that game, football. If you buy a football, then you have to write a football. He bought a football. He bought a volleyball. But if we use play, he plays football. He plays hockey. He plays the other. Means article is not used. And similarly, here we can say name of the papers. If the name of papers come, with the name of the papers we use the. As for example, we can take the Kathmandu Post, the name of a newspaper, the Himalayan, the Kantipur, the Pratik. Different types of newspapers are here. And in the other countries also, the Tribune, the New York Times, the Guardian, different types of names there are in this world. And before the names of all the newspapers, we use the. Without the, if you write the names of newspapers, it will be wrong. You must remember this fact, students. Now, we are going to talk about the planets. Directions also we can take. Directions. Name of directions. There are, as we say, east, west, south. Names of directions they are. And without article the, means without definite article, we cannot use, because they are only one. But never jump onto the conclusion that the things which are only one in this world we must use the. Yeah, maximum it is, but some exception to the rules are there. Don't make the exception to the rule your weapon to slay the rules of grammar. So what to do? You have to remember this. The planets, the names of the planets, the names of the directions, if there are, you have to use the. As the east, the west, the north, the south. Similarly, you can take the name of the stars, the planets. As we know, the names of the planets there are the Mars, the Mercury, the Venus, the Pluto. Means the names of the planets we must tell by using the. The is quite necessary when you use the names of the planets, the names of gulfs. The gulfs you can know means the ditch type, bay, the Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal, Gulf names, bays names, and deserts. The Sahara Desert, we cannot say only Sahara Desert. The Gobi Desert, the Gobi Desert, the Sahara Desert. The name of the deserts are written with the. And any famous book comes. The name of religious books, first in famous book, first turn comes of religious books. Any religious book there is, you have to write the name of the book with the. The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Ramcharitamanas. Similarly, some other books there are which are very famous. You know, many great writers have written such books. Those books must be written by using the before them. Then it is right. If you don't use, it's never right. Dear students, we have to follow these rules of using articles. One idiomatic use of article I am going to tell you. Sometimes the and the is used in both the places as an idiomatic use of article. We can take here the idiomatic use of article. You say the higher you go, the cooler you fill. Here higher, here cooler, here the, it has come like a phrase, an idiom, idiomatic use. It is done as idiomatic use, and if there is idiomatic use like this, you must have to use like this. The higher you go, the cooler you fill. Such types of matters must come, and some countries' name you know, some name of the countries. Generally, name of the countries don't take article the, but some names of the countries take the when their names are according to their quality or according to their geographical matters. If geographical matters there are, then the names are used like that, as the UK, the US, the UK, the USA, the Congo. The Congo means according to the Netherlands. The names of those countries, when come according to their qualities, we use the. Means today we learnt how to use the, how to use a and an, and some remaining matters are there when not to use them, but today it's a lot of time. When I started, time is not giving me an extra moment to go ahead. I want to tell you, dear students, you must join your tuition every day. Tomorrow you will read science, and Abhay Kumar Mishra sir will come to teach you. 2 days he will teach, and then our next teacher will come, Lal Babu Jadhav sir. He will teach you mathematics, and with this, having no very much speculous time, I want to get a leave from you. Dhanyavad, Namaskar, thank you.
It's a Reliance Television Network and you're watching TV Birganj.